in North America is familiar to most people. Even if it's an area they haven't been to, they're in English-speaking countries, and say Canada and United States feels familiar to them, whereas going overseas is not so familiar. And the campgrounds are different. The RVs are different. So it can be very intimidating to a vacation planner when they start thinking of an RV vacation in a foreign country. And we take the worry and the stress out of that type of planning. And literally, all you have to do is show up, and we've taken care of the rest.
One destination you won't want to overlook lies in the unique beauty of New Zealand. From sharp mountain peaks and snow-capped Alps, to stunning beaches and cascading waterfalls, to rolling hills and fairy tale landscapes. While planning a trip of this magnitude can be an overwhelming prospect for even the most seasoned of travelers, this is precisely why guided RV tours like those offered by Fantasy RV Tours exist. Not only will they take care of all the logistics, arrangements, and the itinerary, but they also help take away the fear that comes with planning a once-in-a-lifetime trip to a foreign land.